Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into the deep end, showing you how to organize tasks with projects in Todoist, your 2025 edition guide. First things first, let's create a new project. Click on the plus icon next to the Projects tab on the left sidebar. Now, name your project and select a color for easy identification. The reason we do this is to help you visually distinguish between different projects at a glance. Next up, let's add tasks to your project. Click on the project you've just created. In the Add Task field, type in your task. Hit Enter to save it. This helps us because it allows us to break down the project into manageable tasks. Now, Todoist isn't just about creating tasks. It's about organizing them in a way that makes your workflow smoother. Now that we've done that, let me explain why this matters. You can set priorities for each task. Click on the task you've created and then click on the flag icon. Choose from 4 levels of priority. This helps us because it allows you to focus on what's most important first. Next, let's set a due date for your task. Click on the task, then on the calendar icon, and finally on the date you want to set. The reason we do this is to help you manage your time more effectively. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Todoist is now organizing your tasks according to their due dates and priorities, allowing for a clean, easy-to-navigate interface. And there you have it. With these few simple steps, you are well on your way to organizing tasks with projects in Todoist. Keep in mind, the key to effective task management is regularly updating and prioritizing your tasks. Thanks for joining us today, and remember, stay organized and keep crushing those tasks.